Why do so many men over 30 swear by okra water? Let's dive into 5 amazing benefits. Here are 5 amazing benefits of okra water for men over 30. Benefit 1. Digestive health. Okra water is rich in fiber, aiding digestion and preventing constipation. Benefit 2. Heart health. The soluble fiber in okra water helps lower cholesterol and supports a healthy heart. Benefit 3. Muscle recovery. The antioxidants in okra assist in muscle recovery, making it great for post-workout. Benefit 4. Cognitive function. Okra's nutrients support brain health and cognitive functions, keeping your mind sharp. And benefit 5. Blood sugar regulation. Okra water can help stabilize blood sugar levels, beneficial for those monitoring their glucose. So there you have it. 5 compelling reasons to try okra water. Cheers to your health.